it's Tammy and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing to you another cereal tasting and this one's going to be fun. I will probably have to let it sit for a minute just so that I can chew it because I'm having some tooth issues. You guys know about my tooth issues. But before we get started, let's clean house. Make sure you like the video, share the video, comment below. Let me know if you've tried this cereal or what cereals you have tried, and if you want me to try a certain one. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. Again, today is a cereal tasting, so of course I have my bowl, my spoon, my 2%, brand new one. I'm gonna go ahead and pregame and open this one up. I'm glad I did. That thing was hard to open. So when I do my cereal tastings, if you have not been here before, I give them a ranking from 1 to 10 after I smell them and taste them. So today's is going to be very fun. Some of the people that I work with and some friends thought that I was crazy for trying this one. My husband, I think, thought I was crazy for wanting to try this one. It is a limited edition, so it won't be around. It's not like a new flavor for them. It's just a limited edition. This one comes to us from Quaker Oats. Got it now. Quaker Oats. Today's cereal is limited edition Captain Crunch Chocolaty Berry Crunch. It sounds absolutely insane. You got the chocolate Captain Crunch pieces, and then you have berries. So it sounds weird. I'm hoping it's delicious, but it does sound bizarre. So, alright, so this is Quaker, so it should have some good nutritional facts, but we'll see. Serving cup is 3/4 of a cup. Y'all know what I say about that. That's a lie. Servings per container, 14. Let's see. Calories, 100 with the cereal alone. If you use a 1/2 cup of vitamin A or D fortified skim milk, it's 140 calories. Only 10 calories from fat. That's either way. Let's see. Trans fat 0, polyunsaturated fat 0, monosaturated fat 0 grams, cholesterol 0 grams, and sodium 160 milligrams. It's not bad. I've seen worse. Potassium 45 milligrams. That's good. 11 grams of sugar. I think that's average for all of these cereals. Has no vitamin A, C, or calcium unless you add milk. But it does have some smaller percentages of iron, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin B6, and then it has 60% for folic acid, which is awesome. I have to take folic acid, so maybe I can cut back a little bit with the cereal. The ingredients start with corn flour, sugar, oat flour, palm and coconut oil, brown sugar, salt, cocoa powder, natural and artificial flavor. And of course it goes into all of the other stuff that's awful for us. So yeah, this one's from Quaker Oats. So we're going to get into this. The Chocolaty Berry Crunch. Now, I am a huge fan of Captain Crunch with crunch berries. There's also one Captain Crunch with, I can't really smell it through the bag, Oops All Berries. That one is my absolute favorite because I can do without the Captain Crunch pieces, but kind of smells chocolatey. Smells like dark chocolate. I was actually able to open that without using scissors. Isn't that crazy? I almost said without using cereal. So there's not. It doesn't look like there's a lot of the Captain Crunch pieces. I got a lot of berries in here. So I'm thinking chocolate covered berries is what this is going to taste like. Possibly. I don't know. We shall find out. But that's what I'm thinking that they're going for. So smell wise, it's nothing to call home about. Like I said, it just kind of smells like dark chocolate a little bit. Let's see what we get when we taste it. I probably should have ate one by itself. So the berries taste like their regular selves. I'm trying to find them. I will say this. Oh, that is chocolatey. I will say this. The pieces, the actual product is smaller than the usual Captain Crunch. I wonder why that is. Because the actual Captain Crunch pieces are really small and the berries are kind of small. Which is weird. But, alright, you guys. Moment of truth. Let's see. Okay. I mean, obviously I have to eat more, but I think you guys are going to be surprised at my score. So, the berries are very berry. They kind of taste, it's weird because they kind of taste like raspberries instead of the different berry flavors that they mix into the regular Captain Crunch with berries. The chocolate regular pieces, you can't even taste them when you put them in the milk, which is bizarre. They get soggy quick, which for most people, that's probably a problem. For me, it's great. I gotta be honest with you guys. That tastes like regular Captain Crunch. Very bizarre. Unless you eat them without milk. It's really weird. I don't know. Not what I expected at all. So, this is a weird one. Because this is not what I expected. Now I tasted chocolate. Now I did have more of the chocolate pieces on my spoon that time. But they're kind of overpowered by the berries. So, which causes them to taste like the regular Captain Crunch. I probably shouldn't have poured so many because they're going to get soggy. I didn't know they were going to get soggy so quickly. But Captain Crunch's Chocolaty Berry Crunch. I give this one a 5. It's uneventful. It tastes like regular Captain Crunch. It honestly does. Unless you eat it dry. Then you can taste the chocolate. I tasted a little bit of the chocolate when I had more of the chocolate pieces. But my box is full of berries. So and that one I got a burst of berry. It's really weird. Chocolatey Berry Crunch gets Tammy's score of 5. If you want to get something for kids that you are absolutely sure that they're going to eat, you can get this limited edition one. They'll see the chocolate pieces and the berries on the box. I can guarantee you they'll eat them. They'll eat the whole box. Not knowing that, or not realizing that they can't even taste either of the flavors, really. Well, I mean, you can taste the berries, but you definitely can't taste the chocolate. Not when you add it to the milk. My milk turned red. Doesn't taste like strawberry milk or raspberry milk or anything, though. Just regular old milk. So, uneventful. I give it a 5. It is good because it does taste like Captain Crunch berries, which is a good cereal in itself anyway. But the chocolatey berry part, I don't know. These last ones I've been tasting, they've been killing me. But, so that is my score for the Chocolatey Berry Crunch from Captain Crunch. It's kind of just regular Captain Crunch with crunch berries, honestly. So, I'm going to head on out. I'm going to let my husband taste it. Maybe he'll give me a different insight. I don't know. But, remember guys, make sure you like the video, share the video, comment below. If you've had it and it tastes different to you, or if you would like for me to try a different cereal. Until next time, you guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.